everybody, welcome back to the CloudTech tips and tricks videos. Today we're going to cover drill down dashboards. This is a relatively new feature for Sugar. I believe it came out with Sugar 8. In the past, Sugar's always had really good dashboards and dashlets, but one of the complaints or one of the criticisms that we've had from clients is that it's great having the high level information, but people wanted to see the information that was underpinning these reports. So essentially they wanted to drill down and be able to access the records. So with Sugar 8, what they've allowed us to do is hover over a report, and they'll be able to click on that segment, and it'll take it to the information that makes up that segment. Obviously here I'm in the leads module, so I can just drill straight down through to the lead itself. Another cool thing is that it also gives me a view of the charting in here, and I can choose a different segment and click on it and get the different segment information. Now this isn't just limited to the dashboards, we can also do it on dashlets. So against an accounts module here, I can scroll down to this report and I can drill down onto a different segment. Very quick, very simple, but a great feature, very, very powerful. Anyway, thanks for that, and we'll see you in the next video.